This is my diesel heater. Hcalory. This is the screen. You can use the beeper too. The maximum higher is 10. It's running high. It's too much. So I'll put number 4. So I'll put it in my basement. I put the muffler outside. You see, I cut the piece of wood, make a hole. I put the muffler outside into the basement. Inside is the diesel. It's hot right now. This is my blueberry, small one. This is 300. It's 88%. Deep heater, Hcalory, you can use for 12 volts or 110. So right now I connect to 110, or you can use the DC 12 volt too. So it's two options for user, 12 volt or 110. Yeah, I like it because it's quiet. You can running all day. This is my electric power dually for my trailer. It's electric, brand new. So this is my blueberry, the big one. So right now I have it 72%. So I use my computer right now, the touch screen. Just only one. But yesterday I connect everything. My computer, touchscreen, my TV, my flight simulator, my American truck simulator too, everything, my big computer, my another TV. I connect everything together. My blueberry, the big one, this run good. And look, my basement is big. It's warm right now. It's good temperature.